So I thought it'd be fun to kind of give this product a bit of a video review, just because it's a little easier to explain some of its features on video than in pictures. So for starters, it's a phone stand. So basically this slot here is made for either a phone or an iPad. Both work great in it. And the way that we've angled it, you actually have two different angles that you can use the stand at. So if you put your phone in facing this way, you have it on a bit more of an angle. So that works really great if you have this on, say, a coffee table or at a lower place than where you're sitting up, so you can see your screen better. But you could also use it in this direction and your phone would stand up much more upright. So it just gives you two different screen viewing options, which is really nice because I don't know about you, but I knit in all kinds of different places. So it's nice to have the option. Sometimes I'm at my dining room table, sometimes I'm in my living room, sometimes I'm in my bed. So it's just nice to have the option of this phone being at different angles. The second feature of the phone stand is that this tray here is actually magnetic, which is really cool because if you're using notions, for example, I have some darning needles here and stitch markers, they stick to the tray. So here you have your darner and your stitch marker and they won't fall out. So you have, I can even put a bigger one on it and it'll stick as well. So it just makes it a little bit easier to keep everything contained. Like if I'm moving from my kitchen to my upstairs den or something, I don't have to worry about these things falling out while I'm moving my project. And yeah, it's just super convenient. Just a small piece, looks great on a coffee table. That's why we did the 3 different stains, because we know everyone has different looks in their home. And it's a really fun little product. I'm gonna link it in our bio for you guys so you can take a look at our new colors, and we hope you love it as much as we do.